Another type of example you might run into is this one, in which you're asked to plot and graph. They're giving you the 1 point, and they're giving you the slope. Now, they're not asking for the equation here. They're just asking for you to graph that. Well, the first thing you would do is to plot the point, which is -3, 2. So we're going to go over -3, 1, 2, 3, and then down 2. So this point is this ordered pair. Now, from this point, we're going to plot the slope. And once again, slope is y units over x units. And if it's positive, and we said do the x units first, we're going to go over 5. So from here, we go over 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we would mentally put a dot there. And then now we do our y units, which are 2, and we go up. So we then take our, plotting this point, going over 5 and up 2, this will create a line. And if we sketch it in, this is what our graph is like. Now again, we don't know the y-intercept, and we don't know the x-intercept, although in this case it's right there on the x-axis. So in a sense, we know the x-intercept because we went over 5 up 2, brought us to the x-axis. But the y-intercept is going to be some sort of fraction. Now, if they asked to find the equation of this line, that's when we would use our formula for y minus y sub 1 equals m times x minus x sub 1. In fact, while we're here, let's just do it. So we have y minus a minus 2, which will give us a plus 2, equals our slope, which is 2/5, times x, and this is a minus 3, so minus a minus 3 makes it a plus 3. And we do want to put this in standard form, so we're going to multiply everything by 5. Here the 5's cancel out, so we get 2y, not 2y, 5y, plus 10 equals, now the 5's are gone, 2x plus 6. I bring the 10 over to the other side as a negative 10, so I'll write it over here. So we have 5y equals 2x. We're bringing our 10 over, it becomes a negative 10. This will be a negative 4. And I'll bring this over, and this becomes a negative 2x plus 5y equals a negative 4. And if we want our a term here to be positive, just multiply everything by a negative 1, and this will become 2x plus 5, or I should say minus 5y equals 4. So both these are equivalent. We've just changed the signs. But our main topic here was to plot, if they gave you a point and the slope, from that point you plot the slope. And then if we wanted to find the equation of the line, we would do so in this fashion. Now let's just solve it for y here. If we have it in this form, we would divide everything by 5, so let's write it here. 5y equals 2x minus 4. So divide everything by 5. We get y equals 2/5 x minus 4/5. And notice now we have the y-intercept, which is our y equals mx plus b. Our b is our y-intercept. Can you see it's just about a negative 4/5, where our x-intercept happened to be a 2. Okay, a little short review.